Movement. You walk from one place to another by using your legs. You can also move different part of your body. Does a bird or an earthworm move in the same ways as you do? Each animal has its own way of moving. They may walk, run, fly, jump, hop, creep, cross, slither, swim, or move in other way. So the style of movement, the way of movement is differ in a different organism. Some part of your body can move from the others. What determines how much movement is possible for each part? This is determined by your bones and how they are joined to each other. Let us study about the bones in detail. And the most important topic of this chapter is the human skeletal system. The bones in your body make up a framework is known as skeleton. The skeleton of an adult human being are made up of 206 bones. A child has many more bones, but as he grows into an adult, many of bones fuses together. Functions of the skeleton. The skeleton has main four functions. First, support. Second, protection. Third, movement. And fourth, making blood cell. Let us talk about first function, which is support. Your body has a number of soft organs and muscles. It is necessary to have a hard framework to support these parts, otherwise the body will collapse. Your skeleton provide his framework and hold you upright. Protection. The bones protect the soft organs of your body. The brain is protected by your skull. The heart and the lungs by the thin, long bones in your chest, which is known as rib cage. Okay, rib cage are present to protect important organs like heart and lungs. Okay, so first of all, it support to stand upright. Second one, it protect us. It provide the protection of important organ in our body. Next, movement. So the individual bones are hard. Several of them can move at place whether they can join to other bones. That's why you can move your arms, legs, fingers, and many other part of your body. Making blood cells. Making blood cells. Bones are hard from outside, but they are soft and spongy on inside. The inside of bones contain a soft substance which is known as bone marrow. Blood cells are made up of bone marrow. So please write down about skeleton system, and whatever the functions are given in your book, page number 97, please write down. And now we have to talk about the each and every part of the skeleton. The structure of human skeleton: skull, jaw bones, collar bones, breast bones, this one, shoulder blade, this one, rib cage, this one rib cage. Okay, you can feel it. This one is radius. Okay, bones of hand, this one finger, femur, kneecap, tibia and bones of the foot. These all are given in your textbook. Okay, you can draw this figure, and then after you need to remember the structure of human skeleton. Okay, now from page number 98, each and every part, important part, are given in detail. Let us talk about first topic, which is the skull. See, the skull is the bony structure that surrounds and protect your brain. It contains holes for your eyes, ears, nose and mouth. The upper part is made up of 8 flat bones joined together. The face and jaw contain 14 bones. Your teeth are fixed to the jaw bones. The lower jaw bones is the only movable bones in the skull. It enables you to chew your food and talk. So first of all, you need to understand that this skull is surrounded to our brain to protect it. It consists of whole of the eyes, ears, nose and mouth. Okay, the upper part is made up of 8 flat bones joined together, and the face and the jaw contain 14 bones. Your teeth are fixed to the jaw bones. The lower jaw bones is the only movable bones in the skull. It enables you to chew your food and talk. Okay, so we can talk, we can food with the help of this skull. Okay, see, this is the very small topic, and you need to write down each and everything, a short note about a skull in your notebook, and please remember it. Okay, from next lecture we will discuss more about this chapter. For today it's enough. You need to read this chapter 9, and then after please make notes. Only 2 procedures are there. Please read twice the chapter. Please revise whatever the things I taught you during classes, and then after make notes. After finishing the chapter, make exercises, complete exercises. Then after, the chapter is yours. Thank you.